Hey everyone, welcome back to BrainTube. Today we're going to tackle an important topic. If you've forgotten your password and want to secure your account, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll need to go to the Facebook. Tap on these 3 horizontal lines. Next, you'll be redirected to a new page. Then click on Setting and Privacy. Then tap on Setting. Once you get to the Setting page, you will see Account Center. Click on it. And note, click on Password and Security. Once you go to the Password and Security, you will see the Change Password option. Click on it. Then you will see a new page. Here you need to choose Forgotten Password. You can choose to get the code via email, SMS, or WhatsApp. Select the option that works best for you. Then click on Continue. Facebook will now send a security code to your chosen recovery method. Check your email or SMS for this code. Once you have it, enter the code in the provided field on Facebook and click Continue. Now you'll be prompted to set a new password. Choose something strong and unique. Remember, your password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. After entering your new password, click Continue. Once your password is successfully changed, Facebook will confirm the update. You can now log into your account using your new password. And that's it. You're back in your account with a new secure password. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others who might find it useful, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, stay safe online.